Gorgeous end unit located in the 55-plus community, Stone Ridge Preserve. Lovely, welcoming front porch is perfect for welcoming guests or enjoying the changing leaves. Open floor plan is ideal for easy living starting in the sun-drenched living room and flowing into the kitchen. Kitchen boasts granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, peninsula seating, and more. Off of the living room is the second bed currently used as a home office space west/full bath. You will love the serenity of the main bedroom offering 2 walk-in closets, private full bath with soaking tub and separate shower stall. The unfinished basement is perfect for storage or finishing into a family room, home gym, hobby area. Whatever you want. Attached 1-car garage great for keeping the car clean after snowfall. End unit location gives you plenty of space for guests to spend time on the private deck or in the lawn space. Settled in a convenient location minutes from Route 1, Route 106, RT1A, shopping, and more. Don't miss this rare opportunity.